Welcome to an incredible opportunity that can change your life and empower your community. Are you ready to become a leader in your area and unlock a rewarding path to financial freedom? Then keep watching. Here at Gdc.coop, we're seeking motivated individuals from all around the globe to join our team of digital product resellers. This is your chance to be part of a global movement and earn a full-time income by working in your spare hours. Imagine being able to set your own schedule, work from anywhere, and make a difference in your community, all while promoting cutting-edge digital products that people love. Getting started is easy. Just scan the QR code on your screen now or reach out to us via email for more information. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way. Welcome prospects from all over the world. No matter where you are, there's a place for you here at Gdc.coop. This is more than just a job, it's about building a future for yourself and your community. Join us on this incredible journey and become a leader in your field. Don't wait. Take action today. Scan the QR code, email us, and step into a world of opportunities with Gdc.coop. We can't wait to welcome you. Become a leader. Gdc.coop.